Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all. So today my topic is US economy. About the US economy. The economy of US is that of a highly developed country with a mixed economy. It is the world's largest economy through GDP and net worth and the second largest company through purchasing power parity, that is PPP. The US has the most technological powerful economy in the world. The national income. So as you can see there, the graph shows the national income from 2000, from 1984 to 2020, and there is increase in the level of national income. But during the year 2018, there was decrease in the national level due to COVID-19 crisis, and still it is progressing and recovering. The contribution of each sector. The service sector contributes 49.9%, agriculture sector contributes 16%, industry sector contributes about for 25%, and manufacture sector contributes 14%. Import and export. The largest US trading partners are China, Canada, Mexico, Japan, Germany, etc. The US is the world's largest importer and second largest exporter. It has free trade agreements with several nations, which makes possible U.S. economy to expand their business in import and export, and to develop their economy as well. How it is largest economy? So the most frequent question comes to our mind is why economy is so successful, or why it has the largest economy all over the world. The US experienced three periods of revolution. The first is industrial revolution. It shaped the US industrial foundation like other European countries. The second is The second is World War One. The World War One gave the industrial machine a great push to produce more and more at large scale. So US had to produce more equipments and machines to fight against their opponents and to win. The third is Silicon and Cold War. Silicon's discovery yet again shaped the digital USA and digital world. US economy after COVID-19. In 2020, the US GDP contracted at a 3.5% annualized rate. It was the biggest contraction since 1946 and the first contraction since 2009. So this graph shows the factors because of which there was decrease in the GDP level. So the first is jobs level. From February to March it was going good, and from April to August there was decrease because of the COVID-19 crisis. And from and in the second one, jobs and monthly change, in the Feb it was 251, and in the March it decreased consequently. And the third is unemployment rate, number unemployment in millions, employment to population ratio, inflation rate, stock market, and the debt held by public. So the recovery. This graph shows the total US employment. So from 2008 to 2020, they were going good, and in the Feb 2020, it was 152.5 million, and there was sudden decrease in the employment levels because of COVID-19, and then they are still recovering. Uh, and after 2020, in the Feb 2021, their employment was 143 million, and all over nations are still trying to get more good values. Thank you.